Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So this video is all about technology related stuff. What all applications you can use to enhance your communication skills, your soft skills, your personality development, anything you want. And I have reviewed 5 applications which I found really useful, which you can use, and do check it out. So this is the application with the name The Art of Public Speaking, and you will find this particular application on Google Play Store for Android phones. So do check it out, and let me just open this app for you. So this app, this has whole bunch of things from different experts on public speaking, that is Dale Clarence, and different trainings are available, different audiobooks are available, different picture quotes are available. And if you want to improve your listening skills, you can hear or opt for audiobooks. You can read the books given here. So do check it out, and nothing should stop you from getting started. So for the beginners level, it's perfectly fine to get started with this. All right. So here, if you see, there is another application which is named by English Communication Skills, and it is freely available on Google Play Store for Android users. And let me just open it for you and give you a walkthrough about it. So here comes the best application that I've ever come across for the beginners. So here, this application not only give you the ideas and the benefits about the tips, what they are giving it here, but they also test you based on the exercises or the activities that they give you, right? So here, if I say that active listening activity ideas, okay, and here, so they have given the different tips and the ideas about effective business communication skills. Then here, how to become articulate speaker, how to speak in public, how to improve your spoken English, which is very important these days. I think people are, although it's not a native language, it's just a language, but these days people are more keen to learn and be an effective communicator when it comes to English. So this will solve your problem. And another tab, which is like how to talk to people, how to train your voice, which is essentially very important, how to communicate with people, importance of communication, oral communication skills for effective leadership communication. I think everything is catered here. Do check it out, this application, and I think you won't regret. So this is another application which is known as Elsa Speak, and it is used to improve the pronunciation when it comes to English, all right, or for any other language for that matter. So let's just dive into this and see how it works. All right, so it's based on AI, which is like artificial intelligence, and tells you to recite or ask you to repeat the phrases once it asks. Okay, so since I'm on the skill 1, which is kind of a level 1, so this is how you do it. So it will ask me to speak. So this is one such word that it is asking me to speak, that is please. So let me just see how it goes. Please. So it has told me that yes, excellent, you sound like a native speaker. So this is how you can test your pronunciation. Go ahead and do check it out. So here is another application which is freely available on Google Play Store, and it is named as Advanced Public Speaking. Let me just open it for you and you will get a surprise. So here are the chapters that you can look for. That is introducing public speaking and you, getting started, your first speech, then developing speaker confidence, overcoming your fear, and whatnot. Just go ahead and check it out because it's wonderful app as I have explored. And here are the bonus things that you can go for, because these are the free bonus apps that you can check it out for: the leadership skills, budgeting basics, and body language communication, then cat training, dieting and weight loss, effective communication, and I think whole bunch of things are available on this particular app. Here are more ebooks that you can go for, so do check it out. I think it's wonderful app that you can go for. Here is another application which is known as Virtual Speech, and you would be surprised to know about this when I'll say that you will get that virtual environment where you can see that yes, you are speaking in different sort of public, or you are in a meeting room, or you are in a conference hall. And let's just dive into it, and let me just show it to you how it looks like. So I have already started with this, and this is how it looks like, and I'll just press on the continue. All right, I don't have to press and like enter the email address, and I'll just press on the start button. Regular mobile headset. Okay, and can you see the view? I mean, this is super, where you can see the dice where the laptop is there, and you can actually realize, and you can feel yourself that you are in a conference hall or a meeting room, and you can deliver your speech by this method. Isn't it superb, guys? Isn't it? I think that's great idea. So do check it out for this particular application, and let me know in the comment section if these applications actually help you out in some way. I would be love to hear the comment in the comment section how you felt about it. All right, so do get these applications downloaded, because I think these applications were designed in some way to help people in public speaking, and getting aware about the technology, and combining the technology with the communication skills or the soft skills will actually give you a boost up in your communication, your behavior, your personality. Go ahead and do check it out. I hope this video would be useful for you, and let me know in the comment section if you find this video useful, and share with your buddies, and keep learning.